सर केन्ना केन्ना आमी आयज विजयान जे उलयलो विजय बरोबर लिडर ऑपोजिशनान उल्लेख केलो काय MLAन उल्लेख केलो हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां की स्पीकर सर आयजच्या दिसा कांय मेंबरांनी आंकडे बी काडल्या कांय मेंबरान आंकडे काडल्या की हे आंकडे सारखे नसलेले आंकडे काडल्या की प्रोविजनलान 70 लाख जाले म्हणून 70 लाख ते कांय म्हाका खबर ना कोण 70 लाख ना ते हांव फ्लोर ऑफ द हावजार हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की आयज 39A जो विशय जो आहा तेचे तो मॅटर बी सबज्युडीस आहा आयज सगळे मॅटर सबज्युडीस आहा टावन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट बी सबज्युडीस जाल्ले आसा आतां तेजेर जितकें उत्तर हांव दिवंक शकता तितकें उत्तर हांव दितां पण मेन म्हणजे कित्याक की 0.02% ऑफ द रिजनल प्लॅन आयज फायनल आमी अप्रुवल दिल्ले आसा आयज जेन्ना तुमी 16Bचे जेन्ना उलयता तेन्ना ते 2.56% तेन्ना कन्वर्जन जाल्लें म्हणजे 1.5 कोटी सुमार स्क्वेअर मिटर तेन्ना कन्वर्जन जाल्लें आनी 16B मागीर आमी ते रिसेंट केल्ले आमी ते डिलीट केल्लो क्लॉज आनी ते आमी काडून उडयले प्रोविजन पण त्याच बरोबर पयलीं सेक्शन 44 आशिल्लें स्पीकर सर जेन्ना टावन प्लॅनिंग कोड जो लॉ आयलो तेन्नाच्यान सेक्शन 44 आशिल्लें सेक्शन 44च्या माध्यमांतल्यान कन्वर्ट करताले रिजनल प्लॅन आसतना स्पीकर सर आयज हे सगळे गोश्टी आमी जेन्ना चर्चा करता आयज आमी ह्या तरेन आमी चर्चा करता की एक परसेप्शन वेगळो जाता अशें ना की आमी मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा करता हांव करता चर्चा नाल्यार आमी AG कडेन चर्चा करता नाल्यार खंय लिगल आमी कितें एडवायस आमी घेता पूण त्याच बरोबर केन्ना केन्ना हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां की मुख्यमंत्री जेन्नाचे मुख्यमंत्री ह्या टर्माक त्यांनी एक 2 कायदे हाडलेले आसा आनी ते कायदे ह्या तरेचे हाडलेले आसा की पॅडीफिल्ड अँड रायस तुमी कन्वर्ट करूच शकना लो लायंग एरिया तुमी करूच शकना ह्यो गोश्टी लो लायंग एरियाचे पयलो कायदो आशिल्लो ते परत एकदां रिएनफोर्स म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्रीन केल्लो आसा आनी हे जेन्ना रायस करूं शकना पॅडी करूं शकना कोणी सांगलें की टेनंटेड लँड टेनंटेड तो रेव्हेन्यू मॅटर तो टावन प्लॅनिंगाक लागना आयज सगळे कडेन आमकां पळोवचो पडटा आयज हे तरेचे गोश्टी आयज ऑलरेडी स्पीकर सर 70% ऑफ गोवाज लँड मास इज ऑलरेडी फॉरेस्ट either it is private forest or it is protected area or whatever it is and for the first time we have gone in the line with the union ministry we informed the government of India also is that this way we are trying to conserve as far as the mangroves are concerned I mentioned that so as a result when the perception is there I am going to clear some few things on the perception aspect of it is that when there is 0.2% of the regional plan what is that 0.2%? There are villagers in, Honorable Speaker is sitting, there was somebody who suggested there was some wrongdoing as far as certain areas were concerned in Konkani. That has been restored back to what they wanted. That's not called approving. It has been reversed. And more than 4 lakh square meters has been reversed. So actually, technically, only 8 lakh square meters under 39 is being converted. Whatever comes in provisional, I can't prevent people from putting in provisional. Anybody can come in provisional. And I'm giving assurance to Mr. Nilesh Kabral. Let anybody 200, 300, 400, 500 square meters be put in. I am taking permission of the Chief Minister. The small man will be helped. Let him go and let him convert whatever he wants. And let me see who keeps it, who will keep it pending. For us, what is there? We have brought laws to help the people and to help the community. Let any MLA then come and say, Rajesh Fadles as a board member. तू माझे कुशीकूच बसता तुझे म्हाका कंप्लेन खंयची येवंक ना ते आतां कंप्लेन खंयची जाली ते सोदपाक लायलां आनी तुजे कडेन उलयनी ते डिसिजन एक्शन घे म्हणून सांगलें सोमतेच आनी पयर कितें जालें की आमी दोगूय बसता चर्चा करता पण कितें आहा ते तुका कितें कसले खंयचे इश्यू जर आसले ताबडतोब तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक कांय हरकत ना मॅडम दिलेल्यान उबो आयल्ली म्हाजे कडेन एकदां सांगलें पूण ना घेतलें हांवें आतां म्हाका आयला तर मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की खंयचे इश्यू जर आसले स्पीकर सर तो इश्यू आमी एड्रेस करपाक तयार आहा पण त्याच बरोबर स्पीकर सर guidelines that have been framed by the legislative assembly those guidelines will stay the guidelines are very clear I want to make a statement here on the floor of the house that this department will work as per the legislative guidelines and that are there in the regulations the regulations will be upheld whatever anyone may say the legislative guidelines and the rules and whatever laws that we have passed in the legislature we will go as per the legislative guidelines I had made a mention today. It is very easy for us to go and blame somebody in the past. It is very easy to go and say somebody else did it. I am not taking any names and neither am I going to take any name of any individual or anybody of any kind of, anything that happened in the past. I am just talking about the present tense, what it is, what is the percentage, what is the fact. I have just mentioned that 70% of Goa's, we are reaching 70% after the final reports are passed as far as the forest cover of the state is concerned, Speaker sir. And as far as when I say that 0.2% means 0.2% only. And that is how the situation is today. And ultimately, when we believe in a temple of justice, we believe in the legislature, we believe in the fourth estate, that is the media and the press. We believe that the judiciary is the final temple of justice. And till the justice comes from the final temple of justice, I think that we should be a little patient.